Are there still many people using DDU to uninstall AMD drivers? Why DDU when AMD software has its own uninstaller? How? Follow me. Go to your local C drive, Program Files, AMD, CIM, Bin64. Open the AMD cleanup utility. Click Yes to reboot into safe mode. Before that, save this video and click Yes to reboot. If you can't find the AMD cleanup utility, you can download it directly from the AMD website. Go to amd.com. Go to Resources and Support, then Drivers. Scroll down to AMD Cleanup Utility. Click to download and open it. Click Yes to reboot and run in safe mode. Click OK to perform a clean uninstall. Then click Finish. And Yes to reboot. Now your graphics driver is completely uninstalled.